Just 5 DNA letters can change your genome from liquid-like to solid-like. Yes, science just discovered this inside our cells. DNA is not floating freely. It is tightly packed into a structure called chromatin, where DNA wraps around proteins called histones. This packing is not random. It decides which genes are switched on and which remains off. Now, a new study has revealed something incredible. Researchers found that changing just 5 DNA letters, the spacing between DNA protein units, can flip chromatin from a fluid like state to a solid like state. So, what does that mean? Chromatin behaves like a physical material. With shorter DNA linkers, chromatin becomes more open but forms tough, connected clusters that resist breaking. With slightly longer linkers, chromatin folds inwards, becomes more fluid, and is easier to reorganize. And here's the big insight: this switch happens without changing genes or adding extra instructions. It comes purely from chromatin's own physics. Scientists recreated chromatin in the lab and observed how tiny changes in spacing reshaped the entire structure, much like how toothpaste and jelly behave differently even though they look similar. Why does this matter? Because gene activity depends on how easily molecular machines can access DNA. If chromatin becomes too dense or disordered, it can lead to a genome instability, a feature linked to cancer and aging. This discovery suggests that gene regulation is partly controlled by physical states, not just chemical signals. In short, the genome organizes itself. Mind blowing, right? Comment DNA if this surprised you. So, this is it for this news. Thank you.